In this video clip, I'm going to show you how you can reduce 4 different fractions into simplest form. The important thing to remember when you're reducing fractions into simplest form is to find a common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. So if we start with 18/40ths, then a common factor of both 18 and 40 would be 2, because both these numbers are in the 2 times table. We now divide both the numerator and the denominator by the common factor to give us 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 40 divided by 2 is 20. This fraction is now in its simplest form because the only common factor of 9 and 20 is 1. If we look at this second fraction, 35/80ths, then a common factor of both 35 and 80 would be 5, because 35 and 80 are both in the 5 times table. So 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 80 divided by 5 is going to be 16. And again, the only common factor of both 7 and 16 is 1. So this fraction is in its simplest form also. This fraction here, 17/25ths, the only common factor of both 17 and 25 is 1. So this fraction here is in its simplest form already. And the last fraction, 24/56, a common factor of both 24 and 56 would be 2. So we divide both the numerator and denominator by 2 to give us 12/28. Now this fraction is not yet in its simplest form because we again have a common factor of 2 again. So dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2 we get 6/14. And again we still have a common factor of 2. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2 we get 3/7. And this fraction is now in its simplest form as the only common factor of both the numerator and denominator is 1.